What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we have another compound cake from Pyromax Fireworks. This one is called In Your Face. It is a 138 shot compound cake. Has some I, V, and W shape effects. It is PM 3029. It is 138 shots. Like I said again, from Pyromax Fireworks. This would be probably my second one, probably I've shot now. So kind of anxious to check it out and see how it looks. Like I said, it's A and a B. Connect them up. You got your 138 shots. This is PM 3029 In Your Face by Pyromax Fireworks. Let's take it out and see how she looks.